Get ready to Red Dine and Blue. The restaurant event is back helping first responders. Joining us right now is Trezo Mare chef de cuisine Tim McGregor, who's here to make seared scallops, balsamic shallots, yum, and of course that angel hair pasta. But first off, why is it so important for you guys to help out HeroFundUSA?
HeroFundUSA is just an absolutely wonderful group of people based out of Blue Springs, and they are wonderful at helping first responders. They've donated safety equipment to over 12 locations locally. They've helped 9 families so far with critical injuries and/or deaths. And so it's very important to Trezo Mare to support these people because they are who help us in extreme times of need.
Well, thank you so much for stepping up. And of course, the restaurant event is tomorrow. One thing we'll see are these seared scallops. So,
yeah.
you know, let's get to it. We gotta get to that meat and potatoes, so to speak.
Okay, let's do it. So we're gonna start with about a tablespoon of butter in our pan. Look at how hot that is, huh?
That is sizzling. And we're actually going to be tossing up this angel hair pasta.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So we'll start with some butter. Got that nice and hot. We'll add a little bit of garlic. And if you will, throw that asparagus and tomato in the pan for me. I'll keep it back here. Go for it. All right, now back up. This might get a little splashy.
Yeah, I can't mess this up.
Right. So we'll toss here.
Do you have any tricks for, tossing the vegetables? Because you're obviously a pro doing this all the time.
You know, a lot of practice.
A lot of
practice.
Okay,
I can tell you, if you want to practice at home, you can do it with a cold pan.
Okay.
Put some cooler vegetables in it before you start messing with hot stuff. So we'll season with salt and a little bit of pepper. And you'll notice we'll get back on the heat. And as you see, the vegetables will start to caramelize with a little bit more heat.
That looks delicious. Now, let's say we did not have the asparagus or tomato at home. Would there be some other vegetables we could sub in?
Artichoke hearts would be great.
Okay.
You could use some blanched carrots, blanching being boiling and then cooling down and then reheating, so you get a little bit more tenderness out of the carrot. You could use bok choy, Napa cabbage, any kind of green.
We could sub in.
Anything could be substituted here. So now that we've got it kind of working down, our tomatoes are caramelizing, our garlic's getting nice and fragrant, we will add about 2 or 3 ounces of white wine. This is called deglazing, so it pulls all of the delicious goodness out of the base of the pan.
Wow, that's really coming together.
Toss, yeah. And we'll toss that together. Now, angel hair noodles are a very quick cook. They're very thin, very easy to cook. You'll get a pot of boiling water going. For time's sake, I have some pre-boiled, house-made Trezo Mare noodles here. And we will go ahead, and once the boozy smell is kind of cooked out of that wine, and you can kind of sense that now you're just getting sweetness out of the wine, we will toss some angel hair pasta in there, like so.
This looks phenomenal. Now, is this one of the dishes that you'll be making at Red Dine and Blue?
Absolutely. It'll be available all dinner tomorrow. And we do offer a Tasting Tuesday menu at Trezo Mare.
Yeah.
So that is also, we're going to donate 10% of all proceeds that we make to the Hero Fund.
And what hours would that actually be from?
11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay, so
all
hit
day.
up Trezo Mare tomorrow.
Absolutely. It doesn't have to be the Tasting Tuesday menu. You can come in for happy hour, grab some calamari, grab a bowl of soup. Anything you buy, we will donate 10% to the Hero Fund.
Okay, well, we're talking, did you say Tasting Tuesday there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, maybe can we go ahead and start putting this dish together?
Absolutely.
Because somebody's getting a little hungry there when you start talking about Tasting Tuesday.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're throwing a little
bit
salt
more
on
salt on there.
Yum.
So we'll take our noodles, place in the bowl, give it a little spin, make it look pretty, give it some height.
Okay, that does look beautiful.
Put our veggies
and they go
right on the top.
And then we're gonna add in the shallots and the seared scallops. So scallops, when we're picking them out, is there something that we should be looking for?
You are looking for freshness. You're looking for a light, briny smell. Really ideal seafood, you don't want it to smell really like anything. And that's what you're looking for. So 10 to 20 count scallops means there's 10 to 20 in a pound. And you're looking for a good, probably $half size scallop. And that's what we're looking for. I have some pre-seared finishing in the oven right now.
And if we were doing it at home, you might just do it on the stovetop, but you're the pro, so you got it heating up.
I cheat.
Yeah.
I cheat a little bit. So we have our seared scallops, nice caramelization on the top. We'll place them right on top of the pasta.
Oh my goodness, this looks delicious.
And then here, I have balsamic vinegar and some diced shallot that we have reduced down almost into a syrup. We will top that like so. And my favorite thing to do with pasta is to top with a little bit of fresh extra virgin olive oil.
Well, we're gonna have to just take a final shot of this. Tim, thank you so much for everything. Again, here is the information. Red Dine and Blue is September 11th. 10% of the sales benefit local heroes. 91 eateries and restaurants are all taking part.